personally ask me to set up a Christmas tree, my life will go.
Full packages ಇದೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ನಿವಲ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
We are all there to celebrate Christmas ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Hi everyone, this is Ashwin Dange from GRS Fantasy Park. I serve as the business head and the director of the organization. GRS as an organization has served a lot of happiness in the last 25 years. We have a water park, a snow park and an up-down museum. This is the story of how our Christmas celebrations evolved in the last 10 days. I was in Delhi with my friends at an early morning breakfast meeting with Alok and Tarun. We were just openly talking about the marketing that we do at the amusement park. Tarun clearly told me, he said, Ashwin, you need to get, a very creative person and you need to give that person a free hand. I said, okay, what they're saying is very right. We're doing a lot of things really well, but there are some things which we might not be at the top of our game about. As an amusement park, our artworks and everything else is very important. And that space is very strong at GRS. I realized that this was going well because again, we had very creative architect who was involved. We do a lot of in-park events. One thing that I realized is on our in-park event side, we were not doing as creatively well. Right now is Christmas, right? Christmas is a few days away. If you personally ask me to set up a Christmas tree, my life will go, right? I will hate my job. I will hate everything about it. Whereas if you ask me to do a process on how to do it or create an Excel sheet of what are the costs involved, I would love to do something like that. If Christmas is so difficult for me, there has to be somebody who's very creative who will enjoy this a lot. I was just talking to my wife and I was saying, I wish, somebody very creative would come on board and do something like that. And I knew our neighbor, Sonia, had done a beautiful Christmas tree in her house. She'd just done it for her friends and for herself and she was inviting her. Namita, I said, I wish Sonia would come in and set up something for us at the park. That would be amazing. And she pitched this idea to Sonia. And somehow the entire universe aligned and we had for the first time Sonia on board.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Our parcel has
Late
arrived.
ಆಯ್ತು, I'm sorry.
This is our working room. You can see the team working so hard. So we are getting the trees ready for the snow park and there's a big tree getting ready for the other park.
My only instruction to the entire team was, guys, please give her a free hand. I truly believe that when passionate people do great work, even the bad work that they do is still better than hard work that a non-passionate person does.
Christmas has always been my favorite season because it's full of lights and cheer. Initially, I was very skeptical because I have not done big projects. I slept through it and then I decided to take up this challenge and do it. We had about 4 days time. Staff were also very excited to be a part of it. Today and tomorrow we have to work hard. We have no choice. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಟ್ರೀ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸ್ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ.
GRS has a very vintage vibe to it. When I first came to GRS, these lamps actually caught my eye because they give that vintage feeling. Thought was, why not, decorate the lamp like this with red and gold theme with a bow. You can see we've put for those lamps as well.
Today's big challenge is we have to maintain the big packages also and then same time we have to carnival decoration. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋರನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
See, this finishing has to be there. Do a lot of changes in lighting because I was not satisfied with the existing lighting setup.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿ.
At that day in the morning we were trying to fix the tree and there was a bit of a malfunction, but still ma'am made sure the civil team was here. We tried to root the tree properly with screws, with concrete so that it's steady because 20 feet tree is no joke. And I was making sure the decor and everything matches with the theme and vibe. This is basically the entrance of the Christmas carnival. So you can see we've tried to add an arch with full of lights so that when the customers enter, they have a nice feeling to it. with lights and the Christmas vibe. A bit of last minute planning, and then we had to involve Pradeep sir and Shrikant sir for food. We had to order like a nice looking cake, and then Veena ma'am's team had to practice dance, and so we added like very cute little elements to this entire ceremony. As expected, the decor, the lights, the tree, everything was all set and beautifully done and beautifully executed by the team. Snow Park has its own kind of vibe because it's winter all the time inside Snow Park. There's always snow. So we thought let's add like few minute details in the snow park and make sure customers, you know, enjoy taking pictures. So we tried to decorate like the parachute area and then the Santa house. So we've also done a little bit of the snow park. More than that, the customers were so happy. Like Santa Claus is going around and giving gifts, and everywhere the crowd was just clicking pictures, and you know, they seemed a lot more excited, which kind of made us happy. The lighting of Christmas tree ceremony with, you know, staff, customers, everybody who's worked in this project.
My only wish is that all programs we do like this.
I have Sonia and Veena. Veena is from my team and she heads the snow park. And Sonia is the creative brains behind what has happened. Everything looks very exciting. There's a lot of lights. There's a beautiful Christmas tree behind. I don't think in 100 years I could have done something like this. In 3 days, trying to pull all of this together and make all this happen. How is it possible? How did you make this all happen?
So growing up, I always had a vision to, you know, throw like the biggest Christmas party. So thanks to Ashwin, he's given me the opportunity to do it here. So, you know, I've always saved some few Pinterest images that just came to life, you know. There was not much planning required. The moment Ashwin told me, I knew the creatives in my head that this is how it's going to be. And with the execution part, if not for Veena ma'am, I don't know how I could have done this. And everybody in the park is very supportive.
Good, thank you very much. I'm so happy. You know, as I said, alag alag hai, alag galat nahi hai. Meaning that when the right people do the work that they enjoy, then the outcome of it ends up becoming amazing. The next 4-5 days, about 30,000-40,000 people are going to enjoy what you've done. And so that's a big deal. Thank you very much. Something for the first time we've done. A 20 feet tall tree is not a joke.